This is Demetri Pierce, CEO of Everbright, emergency/inclement weather alerts. I'm coming to you with the updated announcement about the current winter storm and Everbright operations. Because we want to make sure all of our listeners, not just our YouTube users, have the latest info. As of January 24th, 2026, at 12 a.m., all Everbright podcasts, operations, emails, and related activities are paused due to the severe winter storm conditions. The pause has been extended through Monday, February 2nd, 2026, because the weather is unpredictable and may last longer than initially expected. There may be limited conditional operations on January 9th. January 29th and January 30th, but this is strictly dependent on safety and weather conditions, and we cannot guarantee all activities will resume during these days. It's important that you ignore the previous schedule announcement from January 23rd at 5:24 p.m. EST. Only this updated schedule posted January 23rd at 6:20 p.m. is valid. We want to emphasize safety first. Please stay indoors whenever possible. Drive slowly if travel is absolutely necessary, and make sure you have non-perishable food, water, paper towels, blankets, and other essentials. Please make sure you also have a generator if you want your house to still have power. And make sure everything is stocked up. Avoid perishable foods that need to be refrigerated, as power outage may happen and your fridge may be off for some time if you do not have a generator. We understand this may cause some inconvenience, but the goal is to protect everyone in our community. Our emergency team will continue to monitor conditions closely and provide updates as needed. If some people around the world can still see episodes posted, that's because those episodes are scheduled. They have been scheduled days ahead of the storm to come out. And some people may be able to watch it, some people won't, because some people are affected, some people are not. But yeah, our emergency team will continue to monitor conditions closely and provide updates as needed. Please follow this updated part 2 alert carefully and share it with anyone who might not have seen the YouTube community post. The full return of all Everbright operations, including podcasts, emails, and management tasks, is scheduled for Monday, February 7th, Monday, February 2nd, not February 7th, Monday, February 2nd, 2026, unless further updates are necessary due to continued inclement weather. We appreciate your understanding, your patience, and commitment to safety during this storm. Thank you for listening. Stay safe, stay warm, and most importantly, stay safe and prepare accordingly. I am CEO Demetri Pierce with Everbright emergency/inclement weather alerts. Thank you.